Guy that was the owner of the Rusty Nail told me about this place. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful day, man. We've had a little bit of cooler weather come in. It's only about 80 degrees right now, 82, and feels really nice out here. But we are I had intentions to go somewhere different today, but I changed my mind and I'm fixing to go to a place that I've been wanting to check out. So come along with me, see where we're going today.
Welcome to Tennessee.
Guys, it looks like this little spot where I'm going is going to be off the beaten path. What a big field right there. That's how those trees, that'd be pretty if you could see it. Look at that. You guys probably couldn't see that. Water. Guys, I do believe we are here. Alright guys, we're here at the Rock Pile Bar. The guy that was the owner of the Rusty Nail told me about this place, so we're going to go in and check it out. It's right here on the Tennessee River. Look like it'd be a pretty cool spot, so we're going to see what it looks like on the inside and the outside. Check it out. Guys, this is a pretty cool spot. Bike right there. I didn't know it, but This area right up here they said was for bike parking. Built it mainly as a spot for bikes, like a biker bar, whatever. But we're right on the Tennessee River. They got a nice deck area out back. Pretty nice little spot. Texted my buddy Weo and told him about it. He said they'd already been here, but we'll have to come back up here sometime. Check this place out. Everybody can come, but pretty cool little spot. It's in, I believe, Counts, Tennessee. Y'all that ever in the area, check it out. Alright guys, that was a cool little spot right there. Enjoyed my time there. Could definitely be coming back. Hopefully the other guys can come with me when I return down here. Like I said, this is definitely off of the beaten path. Now, the owner at the Rusty Nail told me since there's really only like 1-2 ways out of here, that cops are bad to set up roadblocks and stuff trying to catch people coming out of there at night. It was a cool little spot right there on the Tennessee River. Hope you guys enjoyed seeing that, which wasn't a big destination, but I've been wanting to check that out for a minute. So I had a guy I know that told me about the place. He described it, but he couldn't remember the name of it. And like I said, when I was at the Rusty Nail, I asked that guy about it, and he told me what the name of it was, because as soon as I described it, he knew exactly where I was talking about. Neat little spot. So you guys get out, man. When you're on your bikes, check some new places out. Find some spots you haven't been to before. See what's around you. We're fixing to head back to the house. I appreciate y'all tuning in. See, in this little gym, hidden away back here on this back road. I don't know what that place was. I think this is the way I came. Yep. Good ride today. Always good to get out and see some new roads, see some places you hadn't seen. I know this time of year, I know a lot of guys are out up there at Sturgis. Maybe I'll make it up there one of these days. I've never been. Hope to go one day. I'll have to plan to make that. Hope everybody has a safe ride. And everybody enjoy your time there if you're headed up to Sturgis or already at Sturgis probably. Even right now, by the time this video comes out, I'm sure everybody who's going to Sturgis will be there or maybe we'll have already left. But just a little short ride today, guys, to check out this place, and I hope you enjoyed it. And maybe when we head back, we'll take you guys with us. So y'all get out, enjoy your bikes, enjoy the road. As I always say, enjoy life. And appreciate you guys watching, man. Y'all stay safe out there. We'll catch you guys in the next one.